Wow. Look at that. Say painting. And you're going to eat a chip. Let mommy take those chips. I will help you with the chip. Say, mommy, that's your fault. Here, I'm going to move these, okay? Say paint. Say painting. Good job. Oh, that's so pretty. Is that your first painting? Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Say yuck. What did you make? Wow, it's beautiful. No, no, no. We're going to leave it down. Okay, you're all done? Okay.